Big up Crosses TV.
I be a crosses you have over your master.
Ask two. I said, take that for your children them for go back to school. And I fucking send the 50 for her. Me not take people money. Cause you can't mind me. You can't mind me. Look here. This hour. I don't even know what that jacket I say. But you can't mind me. With me is the best or nothing. And if me can't afford it, me do without until me can until me can afford it. So when me look when me look and see them people who me help turn down upon me. When me see them people who me help turn down upon me, I can take my blood clot number and post it. But me tell you no, one I no call me. One I no call me pussy clot phone around here. But me didn't know say them something here that go happen and the day that go come. You can't deal with people, so I am the Lord's anointing. I am the Lord's anointing. So there is no weapon that will form against me will prosper. None. I'm not going to sit down and watch my success. I ask Christ. All I'm not going to sit down and watch my success because my heart is very clean. Me say, Debs, listen to me. Them pussy hole they can come turn upon me through when them come beg a second, third time. Me not give them, me give somebody else. That's why they can walk and post my number and go on with themselves. You understand? But them I go make them click like the whole blood clot week for me. Cause that now gonna know it. Cause you still not get no blood clot money. I be a $20 you beg. You big rough and custy and coarse no blood clot. If I like you, me stay up at the road because if garbage trucks see you, them a pick up your pussy clot. Cause you're garbage. You're rubbish. You're rubbish. Woman must look like woman. This is how bad look. This is how bad look. Me no care how no one look. You could have blood clot weigh 40-100 million pound. Beard and fix up on yourself at some point. Fix up on your fucking self. You can't come for me. You can't come for me because you're not in my class. You're not on my level. Me not argue with nobody. Well, look worse than me. Because me don't want God send me. There's no benefits. There are no benefits in arguing with someone that is worse than you. There are no benefits right there. No benefits, not the so. My followers, them help me. I want to tell you say a big thank you to all of you. All when you don't give, just the fact of you come here and encourage me and send me the encouraging words, that's a huge help for me. My followers, them help me. Me not go on live and pin cash up and then sit down on live for 2-3 hours and then when me come off a live, I just $20 on my cash up or $10. Never happen. Never happened before. When I see people and hear people come for me, I not say it's not entertaining. It is entertaining, but I don't know say a lie them I tell. All them talk about I'm a nice, clean blood clot kids, them I'm a handsome, sexy, dainty blood clot husband. My nice, clean, sexy, sweet husband. I'm a sweet, sweet children them. Supposed to see my children them nice. All my girl them. I'm a son them. Supposed to see my big son. What I think I'm a man. Why you not do them something here? Why you not do them something here? I am blessed. I, Beauty Bling, is blessed and highly favored in the beloved. I just need $1 million so I can give you 100,000 out of it to Uno. To Uno. So I tell you every day, pray for me. Uno pray for me. Pray for me because guess what? I am on that road to $1 million. Pray for me. The problem here is envious, jealousy, covetous, and bad mind. Envious. You're gonna envy Shamar for the chicken, for the fall cube, for the washing machine, for the deep freeze, for the little change that he's been getting. How can you envy him when he sits on the live, beg like him fucking blind? The people them stop sending money to Derek because Derek is not showing what he's doing with the money. So they start to send it to Shamar. Those are my blood clot people. The same people that wanted to send to Derek. Them get fed up. Them say them cannot do it anymore, Bling, because they don't see where the money going. Shamar is making use of the money. Pure bad mind and jealousy, Natalie. Pure bad mind and jealousy. And Natalie, listen, anything me get from them, me for take, because me turn around and sorry for them. And sorry for Marga dog, them turn around bite you. That's why them can't be able to post me number on internet and class me and try to bring me down. But the good thing about this, they cannot bring me down. They're going to edge Shamar because it's Shamar the people them giving. Right now, Kimberly, me wish, Kimberly, right now me wish if one money woman could have just come and pick up Shamar and make them drop dead. I swear to you. Me say this morning me feel for just take 500 and send to blood clot Shamar and make she blood clot dead. But me just not like prove nothing to people. Me do what me do, me just do it and done. Outer hard and bright. Fucking asshole. You can't style me. You can't style me. So me not argue with a soul. Me don't argue with girl. Me not argue with no more girl. Me not Kim. Me not argue with no more girl Kim. If you don't have sense, you don't see say all of this is jealousy. Jealousy. Not argue with them. Me that jealous of me too. Me would have jealous of me too. Because guess what? Me have 3 belly up to all. I went last month. And see it there. I 2 left now. Me that jealous of me. Anyway, people. Me sooner 8 o'clock later. Do remember the big bad interview, little more. Not only that, we have our kids competition, our kids talent show starting November something. And we have the Beauty Bling season 5. I'm building a decent flyer. We have some money for giving to the people them. Big up on yourself, people.